See the next part of the chapter, that is discount. So before starting off with exercise 9.2, let us see some formulas. So some short forms are there. MP means marked price, SP is selling price, and D means discount. Okay. Then SP equals to MP minus discount. Discount equals to MP minus SP. Rate of discount equals to discount by MP into 100%. Again, SP equals to MP into 1 minus discount percent by 100. Suppose you do not have discount but you have discount percent. So at that time, if you need to find out SP, you have to apply this formula. Next, MP equals to 100 into SP by 100 minus discount percent. Suppose you have SP and discount percent given, you need to find out MP. At that time, you have to apply this formula. Okay. Now let us come to exercise 9.2. You see question number 1, find SP when. So MP and discount percent is given, you need to find out SP. So number B, you see MP is 420 and discount percent is 7%. So I'll apply this formula. We'll apply this one, SP equals to MP into 1 minus discount percent. So we have put all the values. Then inside the bracket we have done LCM. So after LCM, our final answer is 420 into 93 by 100. So after cancellation, we get 1953 by 5. Then we have to divide it and then we get 390.60. Okay. Same 1D also, MP and discount percent is given. We'll write the formula. We'll put the values. After all the calculation, we get 13500. Now you see question number 2. Find the rate of discount when. Here you have to find rate of discount. Okay. So in order to find rate of discount, what we have to do is at first we'll write MP and SP that is given to us. We need to find out discount first. To discount, the formula is MP minus SP. So we'll put the values and we'll find out how much discount is there. We got 420 here. Next, rate of discount, the formula is discount by MP into 100%. So whatever discount you got, that one divided by MP into 100. So after cancellation, our answer is 28%. Same in the case of question number 2C also. Now you see question number 3. Question number 3, find the MP marked price when. Okay, marked price you need to find out. So SP is given and discount percent is given. So we'll apply the formula of this. MP equals to SP into 100 by 100 minus discount percent. So we'll put the values. After cancellation, our answer is 520 rupees 520. The same thing is in case of 3D also. Directly we have to put the formula in the put the formula and then the values in the formula. Now we see question number 4. Mark price of a shawl is 960. It was sold at a discount of 15%. Find the discount allowed on the shawl and find its selling price. Okay. Now MP is this much and discount percent is 15%. So we'll find out SP first. So we'll apply this formula, MP into 1 minus discount percent by 100. We'll put the values and then we get the SP to be 816. Now SP is 816. Therefore discount will be MP minus SP. So 960 minus 860. So our discount is 144. Okay. Next you see question number 5. A handbag is marked rupees 280 and sold to the customer for 252. Find the rate of discount on the handbag. Alright. Now MP of handbag was 280. SP of handbag is 252. Discount is MP minus SP. We found out the discount to be rupees 28. Now what is the rate of discount? It is discount by MP into 100%. So 28 by 280 into 100 gives us 10%. Now see question number 6. A quilt was sold for rupees 880 after allowing a discount of 12% on the mark price. Find the mark price of the quilt. Okay, SP is given and discount percent is given. Direct formula we have for the mark price, MP equals to SP into 100 by 100 minus D percent.